I would like to address Freemasonry introducing satanic and demonic symbology to law enforcement. All officers most unwittingly know that they are wearing the sigil of Lilith, which is the sigil of Babylon. Babylon represents the time of the demons and the Nephilim and their parents, the jinn, who were the nature spirits, the seraphim. The jinn and the seraphim are the same thing and are the ones that led man astray, according to the book of Enoch and according to the Quran. It says the jinn taught man lies about God, and everything that the book of Enoch says, I can't believe that nobody has figured this out. And if you look in the middle